What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy Young Dub coming at y'all with another video. I know it's probably been quite a while since I've uploaded a video. I know I did do a demo the other night of the car. At the crossroads, it was dark, so I did another video, man, but I went live on Facebook. I don't know if there's a way to like download that and share it and keep it all the way 100, man. Another reason why I haven't been necessarily doing demo videos is due to the fact that you can't really hear it, man. The music is too powerful for the microphone. But I know I did say in a video a while back, I said I was scared of, I think I'm honestly getting to the point to where I'm getting used to getting car audio equipment, man. And this is an example because I got the Massive XLR Hippo 122s, and those things are amazing, man. I just, all nonsense aside, whoever fixed their mouth to speak down on the Massive Hippo XLR subs, you're a moron. There ain't no other way around it, man. Those subs are amazing, but me being me, I have an addiction. I always want to do more, something bigger and better, quote unquote bigger and better. We'll see if that reigns true on this. I've had this product here for about 3 weeks, and that's kind of like where I said I'm getting scared of seeing if I'm getting used to having car audio equipment, man, because back in the day, if I had some car audio stuff, man, you better believe as soon as it hit the door, I was unboxing that joker, man. And like I said, this has been sitting here for 3 weeks, but let's get into it. I literally, before I hit record, opened the flaps to this just to make it easier for the video. But like I said, I've been sitting on this for almost a month now, but this is my planned new setup here. So I don't know if that's all coming through on the camera, but I'm gonna open it up and hope to God that y'all able to see it in real time with me. But we got some stickers. That's what's up. So I mean, y'all know in the title anyways. It's Resilient Sounds. This is the brand that I plan on running next year. So in the process of doing this video, over this weekend, I'll be taking out the Massive subs. Those are going to be going out to my brother. So I want y'all to embark on a journey with me of the new subs that we're going to try out here, man. So nice hella piece of cardboard there. Let's get that sub out. I don't know if y'all can see down the box. I mean, like I said, it had that nice piece on there and all this. Hey, good God. All right, hold on. Come on. All right. She ain't trying to come out of there. And she's stupid heavy. We can't get no wiggle, no nothing. I ain't trying to flip this box over, man. Okay, so I will say this. Shout out to Resilient Sounds. They packed the hell out of the subs. I really want to get this out of here, but I don't know if I'm going to have to do it with... Matter of fact, let me do this. I'll just wrap my feet around the box. Alright. It's in another box. That's why it's so heavy. Well, the sub is heavy by itself, but that's why it's not coming out. Oh, shit. Alright. Hopefully y'all see that there. The sub is wrapped in paper, but it's also wrapped in another piece. Let me get this paper off of it. Like I said, man, this is the longest I've ever let something sit in something. Clearly, y'all can see all that wrapping back there. They packed the hell out of their subs. So, once again, I'm going to put my feet around this to see if I can just get the motor out. There we go. Jesus Christ. So, there's another piece of how it comes packed. You know, screw it. I'll just leave all that over there. Let's get the plastic off of her. All right. This thing is freaking heavy. Jesus Christ. And it's sad because I know I'm probably doing all of this off the camera right now. All right. So this is one of what I'll be running next year. Y'all like how I switched the voice up like I'm just good and cool? Cause man, EXO did a video review on these subs, man. I can tell you right now, seeing these things on a video ain't doing them no justice, man. I'm happy I got this. I think I just got a little bit more happy, man. Good God, man. Hey. Like I said, man, I got an addiction, man. This is where we at with it. Chrome on the butt. She has the insignia and all that stuff stamped in there. I'm going to do a more extensive video on this, man, because I think that motor, you know, as a matter of fact, when I pull out the Massive subs, I'm going to, when I pull them out the car, I'm going to pull them out the box. We'll do a side-by-side comparison, so then that way I can make sure that everybody's seeing what I'm seeing, man. Like I said, I looked at these because EXO did a video on them. And I can tell you right now, this video here, doing this sub, no justice, man. You see these things in person, they are massive. Jesus Christ, this thing is huge. The motor is just downright ridiculous, man. So yeah, like I said, man, let's see if I can spin that. Got the resilient sound stamp on the magnet. Huge voice coil down in there, man. I know y'all can see that. It ain't black, but it's good and shiny, man. So, like I said, let me do this. I just wanted to unbox this, because like I said, it's been sitting here for a long time. When I pull out the Massive subs, should be tomorrow, I'll pull those out and we'll do a side-by-side comparison so we can know for sure what I'm working with. I know a lot of y'all gonna be shocked, like, man, what the hell? Stay tuned, man. We got a lot more about to happen on this channel, man. We got a lot more stuff to run. As always, I got a lot of stuff to give away, man. So let me start working on this build. Let me figure out what I need, what I don't need, man. And stay tuned, because there's going to be a lot more to unbox. Obviously, if I'm upgrading subs, other upgrades are coming along as well, man. It's your boy Young Dub. Any questions, comments, concerns, hit your boy up, man. I just got happy, man. I'm about to play with myself for a little bit here and just do a lot of inspection on her, man. She is crazy huge, man. So stay tuned, man. It's your boy Young Dub. I'm out.